Hi, welcome back to the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar series. We are doing day 4. This is very exciting. These are some sentiments. I'm so excited for these. Happy birthday, thanks so much. Friend is the last sentiment, and then I used distress oxides. I used mustard seed for the yellow flowers. I used black soot for the centers of the black flower, or the yellow flowers. My mistake. I didn't make black flowers. I used black soot for the centers of the yellow flowers. And then, after we finished with those flowers, we moved on to, that is wilted violet. And we did some of the flowers in wilted violet. And we did some other ones in broken china. And the stems, we used mowed lawn to do all the stems and the flowers. And apparently I bumped into the camera because it got all jiggly there. All right, so there's the broken china, and we're going to finish up those flowers. And I do have this on super speed because I don't have like a technique to this. I'm not doing any shading or anything. I'm just coloring the cardstock. I found it was easier to just cut them out of white cardstock and then color them all with the ink blending, basically, because it just was faster that way. I could just move along, because I did several sets of each one. As you can see, there's duplicates on my sticky mat thing I have there. And my sticky mat, in case you're wondering, it is like a silicone baking mat. We didn't use it in the kitchen, so I snagged it for my craft room. All right, so now all the flowers are colored, and I was kind of playing with them without glue to see how I liked them. And I tried to use my pickup tool, my gem wand or whatever the heck that thing is called, to pick up my little pieces of flowers. It didn't work so well. I need something else to pick stuff up with, I think, because that gem wand didn't do the trick for the paper. But we're just going to assemble these quickly, hopefully. It did take me a really long time in real time to assemble all these flowers. I don't know why it took so long, but I guess just because there's so many tiny pieces. But I think they're cute little colors and cute little flowers. I don't know how much I'll use these in the future, because little tiny flowers like this really aren't my jam. Like, I would probably never choose to purchase these for myself. Like, they're cool that they're in the advent calendar because they're pretty and stuff, but I don't really have the patience for this kind of stuff. Maybe I should try to develop a little patience. We'll see how that goes. But the gem wand works for these itty bitty pieces, but not for the bigger ones. See, that's kind of working there. And I tried to use both ends of the gem wand to see if either end worked better, but I didn't really have the greatest of luck. All right, now that all the flowers are assembled, we're just kind of arranging them on this piece of craft cardstock. I think it's cut down to 4 by 5 1/4, and they're all glued on there now. I guess I didn't record the gluing, but they're all glued on. And now we're going to glue this piece of craft cardstock to the back of this card panel, or to the front of my A2 size card. Sorry, I get that all confused all the time when I try to explain it. We're going to glue the craft colored panel with all the flowers on it to the front of this card. And then after this, we're going to actually show using the sentiments that came in day 4 of the advent calendar. This was a lot of fun. I don't know if you guys knew this, but if you have the Glimmer Hot Foil machine, these sentiments will make a very fine foiled sentiment. It's pretty cool. That's definitely like my own trick that I learned a couple years ago with the advent calendar. So and I was super excited because I just got the black foil and I had not used it yet, so I was going to give it a whirl. I used black, and I used a blue one that was kind of like a holographic blue one. I don't think that one's in the video, though, of me cutting it up or whatever. But you can see it there. The one on the top is the holographic blue. The blue one didn't turn out so well. But this is the... then I did a copper one. I did it off camera. A copper colored sentiment. And oh my goodness, I love it. Look how well that turned out. Like, that's so pretty. I'm obsessed. And that's the one... I did do quite a few of them just because I already had the hot foil, like the glimmer turned on and stuff. But this one was the one that I used on this card. See, the blue one didn't turn out so well. It overfoiled and just turned gross, but whatever. I did cut out one of those dies in that purple vellum, and I just kind of like glued it onto the back of the sentiment, a little bit offset. And then we will adhere it to the bottom portion of my card, making sure you can't see the glue through the vellum. And we're going to weigh the sentiment down. And here's the finished product. Leave me a comment below letting me know what you think. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.